Hello, third grade, and welcome to reading for today. We have been learning about main idea, details, and topics, and we will be quizzing over them this week to see how much you have learned. Now, for our assignment today, just like the other ones, we will be highlighting different parts of the text. For this assignment, you'll be reading out loud to yourself by using the the record tool to add your audio. You can record the first paragraph, stop it, and then record the second paragraph. Please make sure that your recordings are up in the corner right before the paragraph begins. We also want to highlight the topic of the sentence. Remember, we can find the topic of the sentence by highlighting words that repeat in every single paragraph. We're going to be highlighting our topic in red. Now I'm going to tell you some words that I already see repeated in both of these paragraphs is thunder and lightning. So whenever you see those words, highlight them and you can see that the whole story is about thunder and lightning. Now when we are coming up with the main idea, we are using our topic to make a full sentence to tell the reader what the whole thing was about. So make sure that it has the topic inside the main idea. Now last week when I looked back at some of your details to help support your main idea, I had some people say something like, all of them do. Or maybe they said, lots of details. When I am asking this question, what details help you determine the main idea? Details is a synonym for facts. So what facts help you determine the main idea? When you're looking for details or facts, you need to go back into the sentence and find evidence. So maybe lightning always comes with thunder. I could highlight that. That would be a fact that would support one of my main ideas. Okay? And main idea of paragraph 1. Remember, you can look at the beginning section, beginning sentence, and the ending sentence, the introduction and conclusion, to help you determine the main idea. What are the different types of lightning? Find your evidence. Choose all that apply. What is the topic of paragraph 2? So what word repeats in paragraph 2? Find your answers and then you can move on to the next reading activity for today.